This Weivision 360-degree DVR camera kit gives large vehicles a continuous panoramic view that dramatically cuts down blind spots during everyday driving. The 4-channel, full high-definition cameras use very wide-angle lenses to stitch together a smooth overhead-style image that makes reversing and tight maneuvers far less stressful. Image quality is impressively clear for a commercial-style system, with full high-definition recording on all channels, so you can review incidents in detail if something happens around the vehicle. The included 9-inch high-definition display is sized well for trucks and buses, making it easy for drivers to glance over and understand their surroundings at a glance. Loop recording and support for up to 64 gigabytes of storage mean the system can continuously capture your driving without constant card management. Although it is tailored for the matching Weivision monitor, the kit is surprisingly versatile and has been successfully fitted to a wide range of trucks, recreational vehicles, buses, and specialty service vehicles.